Hi, boys and girls. It's time to talk about numbers again. And we are learning about numbers. Does anybody remember why? That's right, because you're going to be doing something called math when you get a little older. And math means that we have to know what our numbers are and how to count. And that's what we'll work on in preschool. So today I have the new number that you've been studying this week. What number is this? Does anybody know? This is the number 3. Can you say 3? That's right. Can we count to 3? And we're going to start at 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. Let's do it again. 0, 1, 2, 3. Can you do it very quietly? 0, 1, 2, 3. Can you do it really loud? You can yell 0, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I tried not to be too loud there. Oh my goodness. So you can do that counting all that you want. All right, I'm going to take our number 3 and put it on my little board over here. And we're going to talk about these numbers. I sorted all these numbers out before. And this was the line for zeros. This is the line for ones. Here's the line for twos. And here's the line for threes. And oh my goodness, how many zeros do I have? Oh, I don't have any zeros. Oh my goodness. How many ones do I have? Can we count? 1. I have 1, 1. How many twos do I have? 1, 2. I have 2 twos. And how many threes do I have? 1, 2, 3. I actually have 4 threes. Oh my goodness. All right, so which number do I have the most of? That's right, I have more threes than any other number, don't I? And which number is the number that I have the fewest of? Like I don't have any at all. Do you remember what number went up here? Zeros. Oh my goodness. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put the 0 up here to help us remember the number 0 is one that we've already talked about. So if we wanted to count from 0 to 3, we could also use our hands. And we could go 0, 1, 2, 3. Can you do that with me? 0, 1, 2, 3. How about one more time? 0, 1, 2, 3. Very good. All right. The next thing we want to do is review how to write our numbers. And we've been doing it by just using our fingers in the air. So you don't need a piece of paper, a board, a pen, a pencil, anything, because we could just use our pointer finger and write in the air. And we're going to go back and look at the 0 first. And we have a little poem. And if you're ready, we can say the poem together. Start at the top, around you go. That's the way to make a 0. Let's try that again. Start at the top, around you go. That's the way to make a 0. And then 1. 1 is pretty easy. Love it. Okay, straight line down. Then you're done. That's the way to make a 1. Straight line down. Then you're done. That's the way to make a 1. Now, 2's get trickier. Make a hook. Give it a shoe. That's the way to make a 2. Make a hook. Give it a shoe. That's the way to make a 2. All right, 3's are tricky too. And for the number 3, you have to think of a bumblebee. And bumblebees buzz around, okay? So we're going to go around and around like a bee. Buzz. That's the way to make a 3. Let's try that again. Around and around like a bee. Buzz. That's the way to make a 3. Let's do it one more time. Around and around like a bee. Buzz. That's the way to make a 3. And I thought I would show you how to write all these numbers on my whiteboard. So I'm starting over here with a 0. Start at the top, around you go. That's the way to make a 0. And remember, that looks like what shape? A circle. All right, let's do a 1. Straight line down, then you're done. That's the way to make a 1. So we can do the number 2. Remember how to do that? It gets trickier. All right, we have to go make a hook, give it a shoe. That's the way to make a 2. And then the 3. We haven't done the 3 very much. Remember, you have to be what? Bzz, a B. Around and around like a bee. That's the way to make a 3. Let's try it again. Around and around like a bee. Bzz. That's the way to make a 3. Very good, boys and girls. All right. The next thing we're going to do is a little PowerPoint. And you're going to get a chance to tell me the numbers from the PowerPoint. And you'll just yell them out loud when you see them. But let me get this set up first, okay? All right, let's start from the beginning here. All right, can you tell me what number this is? Everybody shout it out. That's a 0, isn't it? Oh, what number is this? That's right, this is our new number, 3. What number is right here in the middle? That's correct, that's a 1. Oh, what number is this? That's our 2. What number is this? Yep, that's a 3. Oh, what number is this? That's right, Mrs. Becker calls this the big red 0. What number is this? That's good, that's a number 2. Oh, how about right in the middle? That straight line. That's right, that's a 1. Oh, what number is this? It's a 2, made out of balloons, but it's a 2. Oh, look at the middle. What number is this? Straight line down. It's a 1. And what number is this? That's right, it's a 3 with zigzags. It's a zigzag 3. Oh, what fun number is this? It's a 0. It looks like it's made out of candy. And what number is this right in the middle here? That's our number 3. Very good, boys and girls. All right, the next thing we're going to do is our number game with our hands and our fingers. And we're going to put our hands and our fingers behind our back, but we're only going to use one hand, okay? Because when I give you the signal, you are going to show either a 0, a 1, a 2, or a 3. And you're trying to match me. If you match me, you get a point. If you don't match me, you don't get a point, but that doesn't matter because we're just having fun. All right, so let's practice that. 0, 1, 2, 3. Let's do it again. 0, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Okay, get your hands behind your back. I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, show, and then you're going to bring your hand up with a number, and you'll see if you match one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, show. Okay, you have to show. All right, what number do I have? 1, 2, 3. If you have a 3, you match me. Oh, that kind of rhymes. All right, put your hand behind your back, wiggle your fingers, get them some exercise. 1, 2, 3, show. All right. Oh, what number do I have? It's a 0. Did you match me? If you did, you get a point. Okay. Wiggle your fingers, get them moving. 1, 2, 3, show. Okay, show. All right. What do I have? I have a 1. Did you match me? If you did, you get a point. Okay, wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your fingers. 1, 2, 3, show. Oh, what number do I have? 1, 2. Do you have a 2? If you do, you match me. Let's do it again. Wiggle your fingers. 1, 2, 3, show. What number do I have? A 1. Did you match me? Okay, let's do it again. Wiggle those fingers. 1, 2, 3, show. What number do I have now? 1, 2, 3. That's right, I have a 3. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, show. Okay, you better be showing a number. What do I have? 0. Did you match me? All right, let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, show. All right, what number do I have? 1, 2, 3. I have our number 3. Did you match me? All right, you can play that game with your moms, your dads, your brothers, your sisters, your grandmas, your grandpas. They have to match you to get a point, and that's pretty fun. All right, so don't forget our numbers: 0, 1, 2, 3. All right, and maybe you can kind of look around your house to see if you can find any of these numbers anywhere. Maybe your mom or dad or grandma, or grandpa, or even a brother or sister can help you with that. And I'm also going to put the Jack Hartman song for the number 3 out there so you can listen to that too. All right, everybody, thank you for helping me with numbers.